How's it going, guys? Welcome to another how-to crypto tutorial. Today's tutorial will show you how to stake cryptocurrency using the PancakeSwap syrup pools. First, open your preferred crypto wallet app. For this video, we'll be using Trust Wallet. Open your app's browser and enter the URL pancakeswap.finance. Make sure you have your wallet connected to the app. Also, make sure you have BNB Smart Chain selected as your network in order to access the syrup pools. After linking your wallet, click the Earn tab at the bottom left of the screen and then click Pools. This page shows all the available staking options and their current APR percentages. Select whichever staking pool you wish to add funds. For this demonstration, we're going to be adding liquidity to the locked cake pool. This means that your deposit will be locked for a predetermined amount of time before you can withdraw your staked coins. You can click the calculator icon next to the APR percentage to estimate the amount of staking rewards you will receive. Once you select a staking pool, click the Enable button to allow funds to be deposited into that pool. This will initiate a small transaction, so make sure you have some BNB in your wallet to pay the transaction fee. Click on the Locked button to select the locked cake pool. In order to stake in this pool, you will need to have cake tokens. We want to stake all our cake tokens, so we'll select the Max button under Percentage, and also Max under Duration. This will give us the highest rewards yield. Before you click Confirm, make sure you read the disclaimer, stating that you will not be able to unlock your staked cake or profit until after the lock period has come to completion. After you've read the disclaimer, click the Confirm button. This will initiate another small fee to deliver your funds to the cake pool. Click Approve to complete the transaction. Your funds have now been added to the staking pool. You can click back to the Earn area and select the cake pool to view your staked position. Here you can see your current APR percentage, your recent cake profit, the amount of cake you have locked in the pool, and the time until your funds become unlocked. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.